So my 6500 XT has been doing this really cool thing where when I play games using a certain graphics API, it'll go into what I like to call garbage mode, where it might corrupt my drivers and always causes my monitor to lose signal, where I then need to restart my computer by holding the power button down, which I hate doing because it makes this really weird sound, and sometimes even after restarting my PC there's about a 50-50 chance that it'll still be in garbage mode, and then I have to go through this process again. Now, I found a way to mitigate this issue where I uninstall every C++ redistributable and other related programs, and it works for the most part, but I got tired of that and I wasn't confident that that even fixed the problem, so I upgraded to a Radeon RX 6600 XT, which is literally better in every way, and I got it for like $30 more than the 6500 XT for double the performance boost, not to mention the onboard video encoder. Not that my recordings were ever low frame rate or anything like that, but it gives me peace of mind knowing that that probably will not ever happen. Now, you might be wondering, what's going to happen to your 6500 XT? Well, I'm actually going to give this to a friend because he's been on a laptop that's even worse than my old one, and I figured he could probably benefit from a graphics card like this. The only problem now is that I don't really have any games that'll benefit too greatly from this. I mean, just because I'm getting an additional 100 FPS doesn't mean I'm going to enjoy playing fucking Block Post more. God, this game sucks. Do not ever play this. Anyways, I just wanted to make a little update on my current PC build. I might make some more if anything happens like it blows up or something, but that hasn't happened yet, so I guess I'll see you all in 15 years.